Are you tired of dealing with leaking or damaged fuel lines? Do you want a reliable and easy to install solution that will get your vehicle back on the road in no time? In today's video, we'll show you why the Dorman Fuel Line Kit is the perfect solution for those Duramax owners looking to replace their rusted and leaky fuel lines. We all know that when it comes to replacing the fuel lines on our vehicle, that it can be quite the process. From cutting lines to making sure our measurements are correct, there's a lot of things to think about when tackling this job. The Dorman Fuel Line Kit comes with pre-formed lines that require no cutting, bending, or flaring. This makes installation a breeze, saving you time and effort. The Dorman Fuel Line Kit is specifically designed to replace the original equipment steel fuel lines in your 2004.5 to 2010 GM 6.6 liter Duramax. Constructed from high quality stainless steel, this fuel line kit offers superior durability and longevity compared to the original equipment lines. And with all the necessary brackets and fittings included, you'll have everything you need for a seamless installation. Now that we know more about the Dorman Fuel Line Kit, let's get it installed on this 6.6 Duramax.
All right, now I'm going to lower the tank down just enough to access the fuel lines, everything on top. I mean, these lines are one big long piece, so sneaking it out with all these bends can be quite difficult. All right, once you get the front half of the line snaked through, just got to put all the retaining clips back in place. Just quick push downs. And just snug up everything up top. All right, I've already pre-lubed the inside of the O-rings. Oh. And last thing we need to do is connect our lines. That's it.
Say goodbye to fuel leaks caused by rust and corrosion. The Dorman Fuel Line Kit ensures a tight and reliable connection for peace of mind on the road. To find out more and get one for your Duramax, check out xdp.com today.